Today's message: intelligence by itself is not impressive if it lacks integrity. Welcome back, all my free thinkers, to another episode of Grow Rich, Grow Happy, that place where we follow the breadcrumbs to wealth. And in this episode, guys, we're going to be talking about my weekend of being called a fudder for what I said about Zebec network. So I figured I would do a video for the community, because this is all I care about, is the Grow Rich, Grow Happy community. And all of you who are jumping ship, deciding to leave because I pointed out some things, me and my researcher, Razo, make sure you follow him. I'm going to explain to you guys what this channel is about. And at the end of all of this, you have to understand that you can unsubscribe all you want, but I'm going to continue doing the job that I do and bringing you guys gems, because it is my goal to bring you those breadcrumbs to financial success. And at no point when I talk about these things am I telling you to run out and leave a project, but I am, or shall I say, I have integrity. So we're going to talk about that, guys. All of the real Grow Rich, Grow Happy free thinkers out there that are down with me, I want you to drop down below and let me know right now. I told my researcher I was going to do this. If you would like me to start lying, or I'm not going to call it a lie, if you would like me to start just not talking about the things, the red flags in some of these projects that we're invested in, if you would like me to just omit those things and just talk about the rosy stuff and continue to make and change my bags based on the information, let me know down below. Basically, if you want me to only talk about good things and projects, I can do that. Or I can continue telling you how it is about projects. So let me know down below. Before we go any further, do me a favor, smash that like button, give me a sub, hit that bell notification so that you don't miss any of these videos. And above all else, guys, hype this video, because I believe the problem that's going on out here in this content creator, this whole space, is that not enough content creators are willing to come out and talk about things that concern them, or talk about red flags, because they are more afraid of their communities unsubscribing and losing followers than they are about having integrity and being truthful. I'm not going to stride the line. I'm going to either tell you how I feel, or if I don't feel that way, I'm not going to tell you. So with that, also, if you would like, and this is what it all comes down to, being able to do your own research and make your mind up. Swing over to growrichgrowhappy.com. Check out my book, Overcoming Self for Crypto Wealth. Quick read, and you don't have to worry about content creators like me or anybody else. When I come out and I say things that I might not agree with, you can say that's hogwash. I've read your book and I have my own mind. I make up my own mind. I don't just go off what you say. You can do that over at growrichgrowhappy.com, guys. And always lock your crypto up. Get your cold storage wallet down below. So let's talk. So, guys, as you know, and for those out there listening to this video, if this is your first time hearing it, I want you to go back, and I'm going to flash both videos up. You need to watch part 1 and part 2 of what I said about Zebec. At no point, listen to it in slow motion, did I say they were a bad company. I said that they handled some things and some things that was going on that didn't look right to me. And based on that, I lowered my position in it. Now, what it comes down to, I believe, is people being tribal. I talked about Zebec like I talked about many assets here. But people are tribal, and you like your own batch of crypto. If you like that, there are subscribers or not subscribers. There are communities out there where they're just as tribal as you, and you can listen to those. But I pride myself on having integrity, and when I look at things, just to let you know, guys, I don't go out and look for problems. Sometimes I'm thinking, like the burn question I had, and I'll flash that up here too. What started it all? My question to Zebec was about their burns. what's going on with Burns, because I had evidence that Simon has said it about Burns on platforms and places that he had interviews. The evidence is out there. So I just had questions, and in that spaces, he came out and said they don't do Burns. They voted against it. So I went poking down that line, and I seen some things that I just couldn't wrap my head around. That's the reason I moved on. And then if you notice, and I flashed the Friday's video, which really just got under people's skin, that's when things just really blew over, because I saw some things. I'm not going to rehash them, but just go check out the videos if you want to know what this Grow Rich Grow Happy community is about. Let me tell some of you guys, when I first got into crypto, I had went through my bumps and bruises. I believed in a lot of the YouTubers and people out there. I would listen to them and go down these roads of meme coins and different things. I would get burned while they made off like fat rats. It's just truth. They treated it like a business. This is why a lot of content creators, guys, don't tell you the truth about what they're doing when their bags, or if they're bringing their bags down and different things, because they know that you guys are tribal. And like my researchers say, I can preach don't be tribal all I want, but people are still going to be tribal, and that's fine. That's fine. But if you're going to be tribal, you need to really take the good with the bad. I never told people to jump off the cliff. And like I told my researcher, another thing, guys, and this is what I want you to understand too. If one man should not be able to take down a good project, if a good project has a stable foundation, nothing the wind does to it is going to knock it down, period. I told you, zebec is going to rebound. And so people have a problem with me because I pointed out some things. I wanted to make this video for all of you out there that are subscribed to this channel, because I believe you're subscribed to my channel because, you know, I come from the heart, and what comes from the heart reaches the heart. Many of you have made plenty of money with me on this channel, and at no time have I ever told you just the rosy stuff. This ain't the first time this has happened with zebec, for those of you that are curious. It's not that I've said something about certain things. So people really need to examine, what do they mean when they say FUD? FUD, and being honest about my bag. Because here's the thing with me being honest about my bag. I had enough integrity to tell you guys I scaled out a little bit, or a certain amount. It's no longer my top position. And people jumping out of windows based on that. So if you're someone that is watching this and you're about to jump out the window or unsubscribe because I chose to do something different with my money that I didn't really have to share with you. I think people prefer I didn't share that. But I feel like to not share that goes against all of my principles and my integrity. I care about this community. So why would I talk about something in the same light if I got some concerns behind the scenes, but come out and tell you otherwise? I just report all of the partnerships or the phone app and things like that. I'm just not built like that. And if everybody's unsubscribed from me, I would be fine with that, because me and my researcher, we find great projects. We continue moving on great projects. Got many more to bring to you. But if I saw something with the Canton Network, Handle, Cap, the list goes on. If I seen anything with any of these plays that didn't set right with me, I would come out and I would tell you guys, because that's the brand here. That is the brand. Every time I come to you with a message in the day, I want you to know that that's me totally. Everything about those messages is me. Now, if you're in this game of crypto based on a content creator and what they tell you, I'm going to tell you right now, guys, you're going out the world completely backwards. backwards, because I want you to ask yourself about the content creators you follow and the things they talk about. How many of them talk about the red flags or the concerns? Now, that doesn't mean sell your bag. And I thought I was telling you guys, these are my concerns. I'm not telling you to sell your bags, but some people took that as I'm telling you to sell your bags. Now, over on X, which is a very toxic community, I've been beat up and I've been attacked, and people, you. And it's all because we pointed out things. Now, if you really want me to be really honest and transparent, there was a little bit more I could have shared, but I didn't. I shared what I shared, and I left it at that. And because of that, I said I would not cover zebec anymore, but it had nothing to do. Let me say this too. The reason I said that, me not covering zebec has nothing to do with zebec themselves, and more to do with the toxic community and the tribalism with me and how they came straight at me. That's what it has more to do about, because I leave communities like that and I don't return. But I want you to ask yourself this too. All of the things that you're going to get from zebec coming up probably this week, you have to ask yourself, why now? Why after all of this shitstorm that people can say I caused, that a lot of these changes are taking place? I've seen somebody else say something about the burns and say, well, maybe they need the burns for, they don't burn because the AI agents, I've seen more than one person say this, because the AI agents need zebec to do transactions. Just to let you know, if that's the case, why would they even bring back burns or bring back a vote for burns? They would come out and say the AI agents need that. So get in the habit of, when you do research, and I keep saying this, do not stop doing research. If research is what got you into a project, then you're going to have to do continued research to keep you in that project. Because I thought we all was here to grow rich and grow happy. You don't grow rich with hope. You grow rich with strategic moves and chess plays. That's how you grow rich. I'm just here to show you guys how I got to where I am and to get you there too. You cannot be emotional about the things that you hold, or else you're just in a cult. You're just in a cult. If you are emotional, so emotional that you're angry at me, I want you guys to look at this. You're angry at the person that's willing to come out and risk subscribers and views. What do I have to gain from that? You're willing to unsubscribe from me because I said something that you didn't like about a bag you hold. If I was on the other side of that and somebody was doing that to me, I would probably feel a little bit, sore and salty about it. But what I would do, I would say, wait a minute. Let me look at this in its totality. And let me ask the hard questions, because until you do that, you're not an investor. You're going along with the get along gang. And if you're a true free thinker, then that's something you're not going to be in. You're not going to get in the go along, get along gang. And I send this out to everybody out there. You need to ask yourself what type of investor you are and what type of news do you want to hear? Because all of you could go somewhere, listen to all these influencers who are just going to tell you what you want to hear, or take what I just said. And you're welcome, influencers, if you're using all of this shit that I've started to get views or grab subscribers. I understand that's business. Take care of your business. But I implore you, be honest about some things. I'm not under any contracts with no companies, none, because I refuse to be. I don't sign contracts because that puts a muzzle on my mouth. And then if I see things, I have to ignore them based on that. And I'm not going to do that for the community. I'm at a point in life where I'm not a sellout, and I will never be a sellout for no project. And this goes for every project out there. But I want people to make money. That's what it's about. At the end of the day, I wanted to make this video so that you can make your mind up. If you want to be in a community that's only about the rosiness and a community that's going to agree with everything, then this ain't the community for you. And I welcome you to leave. I will hold the door open. But we're going to continue finding the great projects. We're going to continue talking about the great projects and making people money. Those of you who got in handle, not financial advice, you're up. You made a lot of money. And there's more to come, because I have other things to show you with other projects. But if you're not here to watch them, be my guest. I don't care. And I'm not saying that to be mean, but I'm not emotionally tied to anything. I could walk away from YouTube tomorrow, and be fine. Continue finding gems, continue making money, because that's what it's about at the end of the day. This ain't no club. This ain't no cult. This is real life. And I care about your money. So do what you must. Hit that unsubscribe button if you want to. Hit it. Bye. But we're going to continue this ride because I'm consistent. And you can villainize me all you want. I'll be the villain. I will. But I'm not trying to be. I just have integrity. And the real ones know. The real community knows. So like the beginning said, if you want me to just omit the things that the red flags I see, let me know down below in the comments. But if you want me to continue being real, continue talking about these great projects, then let me know too. But know this, ZBCN community, me not talking about zebec has more to do with you than anything to do with the project. This your boy. I'm out.